Hi, welcome to the Just Tech Me at Our programming tutorial series. This video covers how to create vectors in R programming. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. Vectors can be created of varying data types. We will demonstrate vectors of character type, double type, and integer type. Logical type will be used for Boolean values. For the syntax, please refer to the chart located on the left of your screen. First up is a vector of type character. Next, we will create a vector of type double. This type is for decimal numbers. To create a vector of type integer, we will indicate a number along with the letter L to indicate long. Long is used to indicate the maximum size of the number. Finally, we will create a logical vector. Logical vectors hold only the Boolean values true or false. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. This YouTube channel offers various other programming videos and tech-related content. Please feel free to browse the channel. You can also visit the website posted here for additional tech content.